Secure remote maintenance with Big-LinX. Factories worldwide are becoming increasingly networked, digitalized, and thus more complex thanks to Industry 4.0 and the Industrial Internet of Things. As a result, remote maintenance and more efficient control of production plants and machines are becoming increasingly important. ADS-TEC has the solution for meeting these demands. Big-LinX. Big-LinX is a platform for remote maintenance as well as for IoT applications. Let's look at remote maintenance first. The service technicians of companies such as mechanical engineering firms face complex challenges at their customers' facilities around the world. If several service cases occur at the same time, the service technicians cannot be on site everywhere at once. The consequence for the customer: longer breaks in production and considerable costs. With Big-LinX, remote maintenance is easy and globalized. If a service case occurs, the manufacturer of the system connects to the Big-LinX rendezvous server via VPN connection. The machine also connects to the rendezvous server using ADS-TEC's firewall. A consistently secure and highly encrypted data connection is created with the integrated smart card for authentication. Now the remote diagnosis and problem analysis can be started. The identified problem can either be fixed directly or the required spare parts can be identified and procured. The advantage: no valuable time is lost due to the technician having to travel to the site, and the machine can be up and running again sooner. Big-LinX can also be used for Internet of Things applications. It is necessary to react to disruptions quickly to ensure that production always runs smoothly. Alarms are a necessary part of this. With Big-LinX, the machine data is monitored and email notifications are sent as soon as a set threshold is exceeded. Possible faults are thus detected at an early stage and can be resolved promptly. Manufacturers as well as operators can also graphically prepare the machine data using dashboards and thus keep an eye on the status around the clock. However, it is not only machines but also human-machine interfaces that can be connected to Big-LinX. For example, the screen of the forklift terminal can be displayed and remotely operated with the help of the software-based Big-LinX IoT client solution. Big-LinX thus offers everything that an industrial IoT platform needs. See for yourself. Think Big-LinX.